Hey, good afternoon everybody, and welcome back to another episode of A Midwestern Adventure. I'm here today at a spot where I have caught some pretty crazy stuff before, like tools and a tricycle. So let's see what we can get this time around. Alright, you guys won't be able to see right away, but I just caught onto something here. Something pretty massive. Yep, right off the bat on the first throw. Right off the bat. Caught myself a bike frame, guys. Check that out. Some pretty large muscles on there. Heck yeah, I'll take it. Some nice scrap. Right. Yeah, that's steel. That's a steel frame. Not a bad way to start. Alright, I just clicked onto something large here. I think I'm pulling it up. Oh, that's a giant chunk of rebar. Guys, I have this huge chunk of rebar here. There we go, it's coming up now. I think I can bend this. Wow. It's a long piece of rebar. Holy cow. Gotta get the rest of it up here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's still in the water yet. There we go. Wow. This must be part of the bridge. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, this piece of rebar, I swear to God, it's like, this piece of rebar has got to be about 30 to 40 feet long. Oh my gosh. Let's see if I can bend it. Well guys, I was able to bend that thing into a somewhat of a circle. So and so hopefully I can fit this in the trunk of my car. I think I can with a little bit more bending, but it took a lot of work to get it to where it is now. So yeah, some more scrap. Check this out. Looks like a hanger of some kind, huh? Not sure, but it is scrap. So I've caught a lot of these here in the past, and I don't know if they're a coin or a steel cutout of some kind. So I guess I'll put these off to the side and I'll see what else I can get here. Now this is the kind of stuff that I want to see. Manageable pieces of rebar, nothing crazy long. So I will happily take this rod, and the rest of this is just scrap. There we go. Got me a pipe here. Okay, I definitely caught something on this throw. Wow. What the heck? That looks like a pipe, I think. Or a muffler. No, that's a pipe. Definitely a pipe. No, just some scrap today.
Oh.
Which is alright, you know.
Hey, cool.
Yeah, thanks.
How much are the magnets?
This guy here was about $220. All right, now I'm starting to come up with a lot more stuff here. I think this might be the old cover to a bucket. Get these clams off here. Nasty little buggers. There we go. Yeah, some nice scrap. And holy moly, look at this magnet. So much stuff on here. If they're rocks or not, I'll take it all. I need all the scrap I can get. There we go. Yeah, I caught something already over here. I think this is a chair. A chair or a pipe? Oh, it's a pipe. Yeah, there's some plumbing. Definitely someone's plumbing. First of all, looks like we just have some simple scrap bucket stuff. Another one of these coin things. Not gonna toss those. Here's another one I didn't see right away either. I think these are coins. There's so many of them. Here's another one. I think that's another one. I think I caught another pipe here. Yep. Two different type of objects on there now. Wow. This area has quite a bit left on it yet. And what the heck is this thing? Just a solid piece of metal here. Full cart, almost full. Here's another, what I think is a coin. Everything else on here is just garbage. Caught this buried gas line flag and a cover to something. Another coin. Hair tie. A lot of random little stuff here. A lot of random little stuff. Alright, more scrap metal. This bolt, I think. Looks like I have yet another coin here. Then I also found this jar lid here. Hey, hey, hey! Now I know. There's a bike down there. Maybe. If it's not too rotten. Oh. Holy smokes. It's on there. There we go. Cool. Maybe I can find the rest of it. Got this little bracket thingy here. Otherwise, nothing too much. All right. First the bike handles and then a pedal. Where's the full bike? What is that thing? Not sure. Well, I'm not getting those coins anymore. I was getting them just about every throw, but yeah, I guess not. Okay, so not too sure what this is. Kind of looks like a brake. Because I've been finding so many bike pieces, this could be a brake handle. And then I don't know, the seam to a seam to a metal box, and just so many crumbs. Yes, I'm messing around with something real big here. Feels like I'm rolling it around, and now I'm getting it under the bridge. This is gonna be a tough one to pull up, I think. It's big. This feels really big. Whoa. What am I looking at here? What am I looking at here? There's a whole bunch of stuff. Whoa. Heck yeah. Sweet. That's just a rock. You guys, I think I found the barrel to a gun. Doesn't that look like a barrel? I'm sorry, but it just looks like there's a trigger that should be right there. Oh man, I think I just found a barrel to a gun here. I'm keeping that. And then look at this. I'm more excited about this. Wow. Freaking pitchfork. This thing is old. Wow. Oh, jackpot today. And then of course we got the little piece of scrap metal here. Man, oh, my car's gonna be squatting today, let me tell you. Get that mud out of there. There we go. Nice. Very nice piece of scrap. But I honestly think that this was part of a gun at some point. Let me know in the comments if you guys think this was part of a gun. Holy smokes. I got a hold of something new here. This is even bigger. Wow. Wow, that's heavy. Wow. Alrighty, I think that ends today's trip. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh. Yep, it's a bike. There's the rest of it. Holy smokes. This thing is ancient. Wow, this thing is ancient. Finally found the rest of it. Looks like there should be one more pedal down there, so I'm not seeing it. Alrighty. Alright, more of those concrete bridge pieces. I mean, they're not made of concrete, but They should be inside of concrete as part of the bridge structure. So, yeah, there's another one. I remember from the last time, these are pretty common. I don't know if somebody threw a whole pile of them in, or I don't want rocks.